Hello, everyone, and welcome back to another episode of English with Altaf. I'm Annie, and in today's video, we are going to explore how your hobbies can help you improve your English in a fun and natural way.
Hi friends, I'm Altaf. Yes, today's topic is really exciting. We'll show you how you can use what you already love like cooking, drawing, gaming, gardening, and more to learn and practice English every day without feeling like you're studying.
Let's start with a very simple idea. Do you like cooking? If yes, then instead of reading recipes in your native language, start reading them in English. Watch cooking shows in English. Try writing your own recipe in English. This way, you're not just learning cooking vocabulary, you're also improving your reading, listening, and even writing skills.
Exactly. And don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the basic words first, like boil, mix, chop, ingredients, serve, and so on. Every time you cook, you'll hear or read these words again and again. That's how vocabulary becomes natural.
Another example is drawing or painting. If you're an artist, why not follow English-speaking artists on YouTube or Instagram? Watch their tutorials in English. Listen to how they describe their techniques. Maybe even try explaining your own process in English.
Yes, hobbies like drawing help you improve your listening and speaking skills. You can talk about your tools, pencil, sketchbook, shading, watercolor. You can describe your artwork in English. I drew a landscape, or I used light colors to make it feel peaceful. These small sentences will boost your confidence.
Now let's talk about reading. If your hobby is reading novels, try reading short English stories. Start with simple ones and gradually move to more difficult books. You can also listen to audiobooks while reading. This improves your pronunciation and your understanding of sentence structures.
You're right, Annie. One of my students started reading English comics. He loved superheroes, so he read Marvel comics in English. He learned many new words and phrases without even realizing it. Because it was fun, he kept going.
That's the key. Learning English should not be boring. Let's say your hobby is gaming. If you play online games, change the language settings to English. Communicate with other players in English. You'll pick up many new phrases like level up, quest complete, join the team, and more.
I have met many learners who improved their English just by playing games. They used voice chat with teammates from other countries. That way, they practiced real-time speaking and listening. They also learned slang and casual language that's not in textbooks.
If you love gardening, you can follow gardening blogs or YouTube channels in English. Learn the names of plants, tools, and gardening techniques. Words like soil, seed, water, grow, harvest become part of your vocabulary.
You can even make your own garden journal in English. Write about what you planted today when you watered it, or what changes you noticed. This improves your writing and helps you stay consistent with your English practice.
Music is another powerful hobby. Listen to English songs. Try to understand the lyrics. Sing along. This improves your pronunciation and rhythm. You can even write your own lyrics in English if you enjoy writing songs.
One of my favorite tips is using hobbies to think in English. If you love photography, describe your photos in English. Say to yourself, "This is a picture of a sunset. I took this photo near the lake." Speak to yourself. Think in English. Slowly, your brain will start to switch languages more easily.
That's a great point, Altaf. Even simple thoughts like, I am cooking pasta or I'm drawing a tree help you connect English to your actions. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start.
Some people ask, how can I speak English if I'm not confident? The answer is, use your hobby to speak. If you like makeup, make a short video in English where you explain your makeup routine. If you enjoy sports, talk about your favorite team in English.
Or if you're into fitness, follow workout videos in English. Listen to the instructions. Words like stretch, push up, breathe, hold will become familiar. You'll also hear motivational phrases like, you can do it and keep going. These are great for both your English and your mindset.
I want to remind our viewers that you don't have to do everything perfectly. The goal is to use English naturally in things you already do and enjoy. When you're having fun, you don't feel tired or bored. That's the secret.
Yes, and try to mix your hobbies. For example, you can cook a recipe while listening to an English podcast, or you can draw while watching an English tutorial. This double activity helps you stay engaged and improves your multitasking with language.
Also, write about your hobby online. Join an English Facebook group or Reddit page related to your interest. Ask questions, answer others, share your work. When you use English in a real conversation, it becomes much more meaningful.
So true. And you'll also meet people from around the world. That makes your learning journey more exciting. Maybe you'll even make new friends.
Before we end, let's quickly go over what we've learned today. We talked about how you can use your hobbies like cooking, drawing, reading, gaming, gardening, music, photography, fitness, and more to improve your English naturally.
Yes. And we showed you how each hobby can help you build vocabulary, improve pronunciation, develop listening and speaking skills, and even make English a part of your daily routine without stress.
The main message is, don't wait for the perfect time to practice English. Just do what you love in English.
That's it for today's episode. We hope you enjoyed this fun and practical approach to learning.
Thank you for watching English with Altaf. Keep learning, keep practicing, and keep doing what you love. See you next time.